gotta go out. I gotta pee anyway. And there's some strange noise outside. It sounds like a cricket times 100. Could be the guy next door got something. I pee anyway. Oh, it's an electrical box.
Huh?
It's like the electricity. Oh, look at this little tip. I'm not gonna melt right now. I'm trying to see his tent. There is something on his boat. There's something. He gone to Walmart for another cooler.
Yeah.
Boy, that was scary. I thought that was our... Oh, there's something over a flashing. What is that? I don't know.